Alrighty, everyone was asking for an update of Richmond, so we're gonna fly over Richmond today. There is a few things going on as far as construction is concerned, and it's not just this main area anymore where the building is occurring, but there is some building out to the west, specifically where that little dip goes out by 301, which we'll take a look at earlier. You can see some development going in over here with the tennis courts, and then you got the housing area as well. There is quite a bit of cement being poured over here. And you can see the hill over here for, I don't know if they're going to make that an overpass or not for golf carts, but typically they put in the tunnel for the golf cart if they do that, so I guess that dirt, maybe they'll just level that out. You can see all the houses that they built together in this little area here, and they're putting up more to the west, which you'll see a little later in the video. These are all the houses with the pre-built walls that they ship in and then they put into place with the crane. You can see the crane's actually down in the corner, or was in the corner. Raining there in the background. They have two areas where they've built the rec centers, which is kind of what I was talking about in the video the other day with West DeLuna. They have two rec centers already built over here in Richmond, but in West DeLuna they actually only have one of the rec centers with the pool. And this rec center, which you can see here, has a wall around it away from the water, which I kind of thought was weird. I guess maybe I've seen that on different ones, but I don't know why this one looks strange to me. Let me know what you think about that. You can kind of see it there. Brownwood is in the background of this shot here. You can see Megason leads all the way up to Brownwood Square, and there is kind of like a little emergency room right there as well. So I flew down to this because you can see that the grass is growing outside of this brick wall. This was where the apartment buildings were planned way back. So I'm wondering if they're making this like a walking path now, or exactly what they're going to do with this, but you can see the grass is growing out of the bricks there. Maybe they're going to give it a natural look and just let the weeds take over. Highly unlikely, considering that it's the villages, and actually it looks like they have it started where they're going to probably put a wall around it. So you can see the wall there. Now there is commercial property in this area also that they're looking to rent, and that's on the right side of Megason here, where this green area is. That's all going to be commercial, and they're looking for businesses to lease into that area. And that's the emergency room there. That's where Megason meets Highway 44. And then you have the Brownwood Bridge as well, which is a golf cart bridge only that goes over the top of Highway 44. Just to the east of the Brownwood Bridge, you can see there's an intersection there that they're building, which is going to lead south. That's Buena Vista, and Buena Vista is going to come all the way down through and out by just north of where the Water Lily Bridge is. Water Lily Bridge is another one of the golf cart bridges. Lake Okahunka here in the background. You can kind of see where that road comes around Buena Vista. I don't know if it's going to be called Buena Vista because it's the county's actually doing that project. It's not being done by the developer. And they expect that to be done either by the end of this year or early 2023. Megason is the road here that spans all the way down, goes between Richmond and St. John's, around St. John's, and all the way up to Warm Springs, and then crosses Warm Springs, goes in between Hawkins and Citrus Grove, Case and Hammock, all of those areas. It's going to go all the way out by 470. It's kind of a crossroad to Buena Vista and Morse Boulevard. You can really see how big the lake is here. That's Lake Okahunka. Continental Country Club is the little white specks that you can see on the other side. That's the houses for Continental Country Club. And there is a park for Lake Okahunka as well, on the opposite side of where the Okahunka Rec Center is. It's a public park and you can go in. There's a boat ramp there, playground for the kids, grills, walking path, and all of those kind of things. It's actually a pretty nice park. I've done some videos over there as well. This area is pretty big. Richmond is you can see, compared to St. John's, probably going to have, I don't know, 2 or 3 times more of the housing areas. West Luna is pretty big. We just did a video on that the other day, and they said there's 750 houses, just shy of 750 houses going into DeLuna. That's pretty insane. Here's that house that would not sell to the villages that they blocked off. Just for reference, that is along the Richmond Pitch and Putt there, which is pretty well underway. You can see that, and then there you see the West DeLuna area. It's just a continuation of DeLuna. They don't really have a name for it just yet, and I don't know if they're going to name it either. And then out here you see the additional building that they're doing. We're flying straight toward it, and we're gonna fly over it here. I'm gonna quit narrating the video. There's quite a bit to see. You're gonna see that new area out there. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Make sure you're leaving me some comments to see where you'd like to go, where you'd like me to go next. I'd be happy to do it, and I will see you in the next one.